Hey guys, my name is Pratik Joshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very special because I'm going to be telling all of you all who like to travel effortlessly in flights in India. This is something that you need to do. It is called as DigiYatra. How to register, why is it needed, what are the benefits, all of it we are going to be discussing in this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So basically, everything starts when I take the bus shuttle from my friend's house to Kempegowda International Airport, which is there in Bangalore. So obviously, I had come across DigiYatra earlier, but never really knew how to use it. So I registered on it myself. So if you need any help in registration, then don't forget to click on the link of the video, which is there in the I button as well as in the description of this video. So obviously this video will focus more on how to use DigiYatra in real life. So as you can see, I quickly registered on it, and this is what you see on screen, which you can use at the airport. So finally, when I reached the airport, I rushed towards wherever I could find information about DigiYatra. So very clearly there were big signages of if you are a DigiYatra user, which gate to proceed to for the entry inside the airport. So as soon as I proceeded towards that and followed the gate numbers of those particular respective gates, that time I came across a special section which was done only for DigiYatra users. So herein, if you see, the line is very short, it's very easy, and if you just see, people are just facing a straight screen kind of a thing, and it just takes hardly 5 to 7 seconds and people are easily walking inside. So the same thing I've done for myself, and hence it was so easy just moving on inside without much verification. Once I go in, basically there are a lot of signages again which speak about DigiYatra and why to use it, how to download it and all of that. But nevertheless, here I have to first check in my baggage. So once I go to the respective counter, give my luggage, from there the next step is obviously finding the security check and going towards that. So I take the escalator and go towards the security check. As soon as I'm about to reach the end of the escalator, I see a person who's right there to ask people whether they are using DigiYatra or not. If they are, then he points you out to a different section. There, when you go, obviously it is only for DigiYatra users, where there is a special line. You just have to see the screen. It takes hardly 5 seconds again, and it verifies and lets you in. So basically this is the face detection that happens, which is cross-linked with the ID that you have uploaded in your DigiYatra account. So once you get there, then obviously you have to remove out any check-in material that you have in terms of electronics and stuff. Keep the baggage there, pass it through the scanners, get the security check done, and once you put all your things back in the bag, you are good to go. Now all you need to do is basically check for the boarding gate from where you'll be taking your flight, move towards your boarding gate, and once you reach the end of basically the walk, you see your boarding gate. And I had some time in my case, so I usually waited, finally found my flight that I was boarding. Once I boarded the flight, that was it. This was how simple it is basically to use DigiYatra. Two major sections where time usually is taken up. First is at the entry of the airport, and the second one is basically the security check. All of that was bypassed just like that.
So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Hope you make good use of the DigiYatra app, because it is truly a wonderful app if you are a frequent flyer, especially on the Indian airports. So hope to see you for the next video. So until then, be happy, stay safe, and take care of your loved ones.